तो पानी में भी आग लगे।
The rangoli that they made for us when we entered was truly stunning. I think it took them something like 12 hours to make it. It was amazing. Today I am here to be a part of the trailer launch of my next movie, Ram Leela. Today is the first real chunky material of the film that has been released for the public, and I'm really anxious and looking forward to getting feedback from people. It kind of first draws you into the world of the film, and then with a bang it just starts and it takes off from there like a rocket. You know, it's absolutely, the energy is unbridled throughout the trailer.
I remember when I signed the film, the first thing Sir sent me a message that night was, thank you for making Leela so special. You know, it's his mother. He'd obviously given me a lot of responsibility by giving me her name. She's definitely been a huge inspiration for me, even as far as the character is concerned, and not just in my personal life. I hope she's happy and proud when she sees this movie.
Wow. I'm sorry, I'm a little shaken क्योंकि मैं ये ट्रेलर आज पहली बार खुद देख रही हूँ. And Sanjay sir, wow.
वो क्या है ना, ये सामने आती है ना, मेरे तन बदन में फायर लग जाता है. I mean, obviously इनकी हाइट देखो, इनके बाल, इनकी आंखें, इनके होंठ, इनका फिगर.
फिगर पे मत जा, ट्रिगर दबा दूंगी.
तो दबा ना.
तू मेरे से प्यार मत कर लेना.
रफ्तारी हूँ मैं.
दुश्मन.
The director is the most important. He's the captain of the ship. Nobody makes films quite like Mr. Bhansali. And a little bit about my character, Ram. I remember when I was being narrated the script, in the character description, you know, you write a few words about the character. So it was, and enters Ram, raw, rugged, energetic, intense. He's basically a young, strapping lad from Gujarat. And it's my take on Romeo.
I think Leela is a little bit the female version of Ram in a sense. A very feisty, fiery sort of character, yet very vulnerable, but emotionally strong. And a girl who's sort of very sure of what she wants for herself from life and isn't scared to sort of explore the world. But most importantly, I think fun-loving and takes each day as it comes. Maybe a little bit like how I am in real life.
मैंने इन मूंछों को बढ़ाने के लिए बहुत पापड़ बेले हैं. मैं रोज रात को तेल लगा के इनसे बातें करता हूँ कि प्लीज़ भाई उग जाओ, अच्छे लगना, कल मिसबिहेव नहीं करना, टॉइंग और टंग नहीं करना. लेकिन बहुत ही जल्दी ये उतरने वाली है और दीपिका जी अपने पावन हाथों से ये खुद मेरी मुस्टैश कट करेंगी. ये मैं आज पहली बार ऐलान कर रहा हूँ. मार्केटिंग वालों सुन रहे हो? So yes, I would like my Leela to take off the mustache that I have grown with such effort.
घर वाले बीच में आ गए तो
मना लूंगी.
मैंने तुझे छोड़ दिया तो
उड़ा दूंगी.
Being a part of this film, journey has been really very exciting. Sanjay is a great director, and we all believe in him. The way he makes his films are really grand and lovely with all the ingredients in it. And I would like to call Sanjay now here on the stage. You like to hear from him because he's the man, he's the captain of the ship. He would like to say something about Ram Leela you all are waiting for.
A big thank you to Kishore and Sunil because they really mean a lot to me. They've stood by me in everything, so God bless. My CEO Sandeep Singh, my executive producer Chetan, these are all very, very important. My assistants, all the junior artists who have worked in the film, and they have done more work than I think all the other remaining cast put together. So God bless them and all my dancers. So I had a blast shooting this film, and God bless you. Hope you like it. Thank you.
I think the launch went off very, very well. The reactions that we got when the trailer played on the big screen was fantastic. People were hooting and clapping, and they were saying once more, and it really went off really well.
I think for us as actors, the exciting part is that it's so new looking, it's so fresh, it's so different. Like I said earlier, I think Gujarat hasn't been explored too much in our films. Of course, there have been Gujarati characters, or a little bit of Gujarat has always been there, but I think this is really Gujarat is the heart and soul of the film, apart from the fact that it is a love story.
First time Mr. Bhansali is doing action, and there is lyricism in everything that he does, and there is lyricism in the action as well, and it looks absolutely stunning. But the film really is a wholesome Hindi film. You know, इसमें romance है, गाने हैं, dance है, action है, drama है, banter है. So you will get everything that you look for in a nice, wholesome, packed to the hilt Hindi film.
I think today's trailer launch was fun. I think it went off very, very well. I was definitely, I think I was very, very nervous, obviously, before it happened. But then once you see the reactions and you see the excitement in the audience, it kind of calms you down and you realize that you're on the right track. But fingers crossed, I hope we kind of continue with this energy through the film. And we continue to receive this kind of a response for everything that's Ram Leela related. And looking forward to how this all pans out.